Welcome back to the channel, everyone. CryptoTakeOver here, coming back with another Bitcoin cryptocurrency video for you today. We're going to be taking a look at a few articles, taking a look at the charts, see what's going on for today. And our first articles that we have going on is Robinhood restricts instant buying of crypto, citing extraordinary market conditions. Wow. So, Robinhood has been under scrutiny for the past couple of days, ever since the GameStonk trading has been limited, and then also since the Dogecoin pump too as well. So very unfortunate for Robinhood, but we're going to take a look at this article, see what it has to say. And then also, lo and behold, XRP sourced 31% in rally. Wow, folks. So XRP actually making possibly a reversal too. We'll take a look at the article, see what's going on there. And so without further ado, let's go ahead and get started and cue that intro. All right, folks. So Robinhood has restricted instant buying of crypto, citing extraordinary market conditions. Go ahead and like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell every single time we make a video on this channel. So stay tuned. We're making videos every time the market continue to move one direction or the other. One day after trading app on Robinhood halted buying in red stocks like GameStop, ANC, infiltrating customers, the app turned off a key cryptocurrency buying feature on Friday. The paid feature, instant buying, allows customers to transfer funds from a bank account and use funds immediately before they've been settled. Due to extraordinary market conditions, we've temporarily turned off instant buying power for crypto, Robinhood said in statement on Yahoo Finance. Customers can still use settled funds to buy crypto. We'll keep monitoring the market conditions and communicating with our customers. Robinhood did not say in its statement or in its blog post about the restrictions what the extraordinary market conditions were, nor did it cite specific cryptocurrencies, but BTC USD was up 15% on Friday. A bounce accelerated Elon Musk on Twitter. A meme-based token Dogecoin up 165%, fueled by social media. It was just Robinhood. Oh, it wasn't just Robinhood. Amid the market mania this week, TD Ameritrade and Schwab placed restrictions on margin trading in the surging stocks, limiting how much customers could borrow for trades. Webull, an app that the Robinhood users fled to after Robinhood's restriction, also restricted buying the same stock. I mean, just crazy, man. And we actually have one of our decentralized tokens up right now too. I understand why the fled to the decentralized land has well, not even Decentraland, that's a token, but I understand why people are fleeing to decentralized cryptocurrency right now, just because of what's going on in these markets. So the actions have seemed bullish for cryptocurrency and DeFi decentralization finance applications, because they could bring new entrants to space without traditional financing middlemen. After Robinhood actions this week, the tech unicorn, which has 12 billion valuations and aims to go public this year, finds itself in hot water with everyone from lawmakers to customers. New York Representative Alexander Cortez, California Rep, are just some of the politicians to issue statements in the outrage of Robinhood's actions on Thursday, which is seen during harm retailers. Robinhood has already been hit with a lawsuit, and customers of the events and company processing. Yeah, Robinhood's under a law right now, folks. This is absolutely crazy. I even watched a video yesterday that Robinhood could actually file for bankruptcy because of this thing that just happened. Robinhood said in its halting of buying and surging stocks as a risk management decision that we have SEC net capital requirements and clearinghouse deposits. Some of these requirements fluctuate quite a bit, and based on volatility in the market, they can be substantial in the current environment, where there's a lot of volatility and some concentrated activity in the names that have been going viral on social media. And in a series of tweets Thursday, CEO Vlad Tenet says the app's decisions on Thursday were not made in a decision of any market maker we route to or other market participations. And that's probably just straight up a lie. You probably just got these big hedge fund managers that are steadily just paying these people, or begging that they'll help them out in some way or another. I mean, just absolutely incredible, folks. This is just absolutely insane, and this is why we're going to see crypto continue to take off this year. This was the big event that I think even Cliff High had talked about, that we were looking for on the 28th or 29th of the end of this month. And this is definitely going to surge through the crypto markets a lot. I mean, everywhere I've turned, even out in public, I've heard people talking about this, just casually, like overhearing people's conversations. talking about this incident with GameStop and Robinhood, and it is just absolutely incredible, folks. But now we're going to see people start to move into the crypto markets. There's no doubt in my mind that this event was a trigger event to trigger the crypto markets even more. And so with that being said, folks, look what we got here. XRP soars up 31% in its rally. So XRP now back on the scene. And so this is just another thing too, is that the SEC is simply trying to regulate these markets, but then Robinhood tells us that they were under regulations through the SEC, but then now when the lawsuits happen against Robinhood, they have to ask for SEC to step in to say if this was a proper regulation or not. It's just absolutely incredible. It's just a literal circle of fucking eating its tails, and excuse my language, but this is just absolutely incredible. I mean, it really just signifies that the crypto market is going to continue to blast off, and this was definitely a trigger event for the crypto markets to continue to make its rally for this bull market in 2021. So get ready, folks. We've already seen Coinbase shut down as of yesterday. Well, Coinbase is obviously in and out with new influctuation of new retailers and new people logging onto the site. Same with Binance. If y'all aren't following me on Twitter, follow me on Twitter, because I definitely like to stay up to date with a lot of the Twitter posts and crypto Twitter. And they definitely keep me on my toes when it comes to these exchanges and what they're doing. CZ from Binance said that they were having a big backup in their system from new influctuation of users signing on to Binance. So this is just the start of it, but I hope that these exchanges are going to be ready for the influx of new customers on their sites. And so here we go, folks. XRP was trading at about 41 cents by 11:30 on the investing.com index on Saturday, up 30% of the day. It was the largest one-day percentage gain since January 30th. The move upwards pushed XRP market cap up to $16 billion, or 1.67% of total cryptocurrency market cap. At its highest, XRP market cap was 31 billion. XRP trading in the range of 27 cents to 41 cents in the previous 24 hours. Over the past 7 days, XRP has risen in value and gained 37%. The volume XRP traded in the 24 hours of time riding was 10 billion, or 6.5% of total volume in cryptocurrencies. It traded in a range of 24 cents to 41 cents in the past 7 days. At its current price, XRP is down from its all-time high of $3 set in January 4th. Bitcoin was last 34,000 in investing.com app. Okay, Ethereum was trading at $1,300. Bitcoin's market cap. Okay, so this is, I mean, we're just starting to see these alts just pop off from left to right, folks. And even the decentralized alts too as well. I believe Uniswap's up right now as well. And these are all tokens that we've talked about inside of our Patreon, inside of our private trading group section. So if you're interested in learning about what alts that we're dollar cost averaging into and how we're trading those, come over there, join us in our private Discord server, and you can join us through Patreon, or if you want to pay with crypto, you can message me in Discord. So let's take a look at the chart, see what's going on here. Let's transition on over. All right, so we're taking a look at XRP, and this is absolutely incredible, folks. I just had sent this out to our members and our Discord server, and what we're seeing here is on the 5-day chart. We're getting a nice green dot here with XRP. We had this skyrocket back up to 47 cents. We've had 47 cents at our price target for a for the past couple of months. We were expecting a rebalance, a retest of this trend line that was holding us down, and lo and behold, we got the retest. And so yeah, it's definitely looking like we're probably going to start making our bullish reversal here with XRP. If we start to zoom out just a tad bit, we can already see that our momentum waves are starting to move back to the upside. We've gotten our buy signal on our daily time frame. No buy signal on our 2-day yet. We're probably going to want to see this buy signal on our 2-day pop off, and then probably continue back up here. But you can see we kind of had a little bit of a bearish trap out of this triangle, and then we recovered and we shot back up to the other side. So obviously someone came in here and bought up XRP, and probably going to continue to ride this up. You can also see here on our Cipher B charts that we're just going to continue up here with our money flow. So it looks like we're gonna probably remain probably in a bullish stance here with XRP. This candle is definitely a pretty big reversal candle for us too as well. So I wouldn't doubt that XRP is probably going to be continuing back up to the upside here. XRP is sitting right at about 38 cents right now or so. And when I woke up this morning, I saw it at 40 something cents. I was like, holy crap, XRP, what's going on? Okay. And so we have trendline alerts set for this actual break and close above this trend line inside of our Discord server, inside of our private categories on our Discord server for our paid members, so they can get these updates and breakouts whenever they do occur. So we went ahead and set all that up. I'm still working on a few more implementations when it comes to our bot alerts inside of our paid for members area. But if you want to pay with debit or credit card, you can join us through Patreon. But if you want to pay with crypto, you can join us. You can message me and we'll get you all set up paying with crypto. So let's jump over to Bitcoin, see what's going on. XRP looking relatively bullish as of right now, making a nice bullish reversal candle. Those 50% reversal candles are outstanding. So here's what we're looking at with Bitcoin right now. On the daily chart, we've wicked out above this trend line here. We didn't get a close above it. So what we're looking for is possibly a close above this symmetrical or bull pennant trend line. And if we already get a close above this, we're probably going to continue higher. So we're looking at the daily chart here, down on Cipher B, on our market Cipher indicator. We're seeing our green dot on the daily, and it does look like this wants to probably continue up above our zero pivot point too as well. If we already get above our zero pivot point, I'm definitely anticipating probably a nice rally up to the top side here. And so what we've really been keeping a close eye on is our higher time frames. And so I haven't been making a video. I didn't make a video yesterday. I've just been really busy trying to take care of our paid for members, and then also just trying to spend time with family too as well. But looks like here on the 2-day, this looks really good, folks. And so look at our 2-day. If we get this green dot down here on market Cipher B, we're definitely probably going to skyrocket out of this bull pennant here. And we're looking at a price target probably right underneath $50,000 and maybe even past $50,000 for February. So I think February is going to be a crazy month for crypto. Obviously, we've seen the sentiment change inside of the market so far when it comes to obviously being in a decentralized world versus investing in stocks where people can put your sell orders and sell without your permission of your stocks too as well. So absolutely insane stuff that's going on right now, folks. But by the way, y'all, if you want to check out Market Cipher and the Market Cipher indicator, I have a link in the description box below. Market Cipher is our bread and butter on this channel. We use it on a regular basis. And if y'all want to learn a little bit more about it, you can obviously subscribe to this channel and stay up to date with us as we continue to read the charts with Market Cipher. But CryptoFace is a big supporter of the channel. I believe he gave me a shout out the other day too. So shout out to CryptoFace, man. If y'all don't know who CryptoFace is, he trades with $1 million bets. And $1 million leverage bets when it comes to crypto and Bitcoin. So he's a really great trader. Obviously, go check him out. But if y'all want to sign up for his indicator, it's a 3-package indicator. You can find the link in the description box below, and you'll get access to his Discord server too. And the Discord server is great. They've always been a great help in there too. And whenever you purchase the indicator, it comes with tutorials and everything. So it'll get you all set up. But yeah, with that being said, folks, let's take a look at the dominance chart, see if we're recovering at all on the Bitcoin dominance. Looking at the 12-hour, we're already starting to see some rejection on the Bitcoin dominance here with Market Cipher. So I do believe that more than likely with Bitcoin, we're probably going to continue to consolidate out inside of this bull pennant flag. We've already pierced through the top side of it. So now, that basically just indicates for us that they're starting to a leak of pressure is definitely leaking out to the upside. And so now more than likely the next time we come back up and retest this bull pennant resistance line, we're going to end up breaking through it. But let's keep a close eye on the dominance chart. What we want to look for is a clean reversal pattern here to move us back to the upside. And I don't think we're going to get that on the lower time frames just yet. It does look like we are finding support down here with possibly some of our higher time frames. So maybe some support that's sitting right here for us. So we'll have to see how the dominance chart wants to play out. It definitely looks like more than likely we're going to end up trailing off to the side here for a little bit longer. Taking a look at the daily chart here on Cipher B, we can also see we got our big green dot down here, but we're going to probably make a slow, steady climb to the upside for the time being. It doesn't look like anything crazy right now. Our 2-day possibly wanting to give us a green dot here too as well. So possibly finding some support. What we're looking for is a little bit more consolidation out to the side for the dominance chart and also the Bitcoin charts too as well, before we get a clean break back to the upside. And yeah, I think that's going to probably do it for today, folks. Let's take a look at ETH, just see what's going on with Ethereum, because I do believe that ETH has been kind of ready to continue to rally here too as well. ETH, you know, we have our all-time high trigger set for us in our alerts page for our private members. So once this passes and closes above it, we're definitely looking for a rally up to $1,500 and possibly even the $1,700 area. We can see that we are kind of in this upward sloping channel here. So what we want to make sure is that we stay above our 21 EMA on our daily chart here. And as long as we stay above our 21 EMA and don't close below it, I do believe that we'll probably end up breaking bullish out of this channel that we've drawn out for ourselves here on Ethereum. 1-day chart also kind of signifying that we are making some consolidation out to the side here, but possibly also looking for maybe another little round up to the top side here that might occur as we consolidate out to the side. More than likely something like that may happen. So we'll have to see. Money flow still looks relatively good for us too. So yeah, definitely taking a nice little look at Ethereum. It definitely looks like it's probably going to continue to rally up to the top side for us too as well. Keep an eye out for it. But yeah, with that being said, Bitcoin probably going to consolidate for a little bit longer, going on into the beginning of February. But obviously, the bullish news and the bullish sentiment of where Bitcoin should be at right now is definitely there on the charts, and it's there in the media for us right now too as well. So hang on tight, folks. Join us in our Patreon page if you wanted to learn about some of the alts that we're trading, like XRP, like Uniswap. Those have been just blasting off for us too as well. So they've been great to dollar cost average into and also trade as well. And we'll keep you up to date with making videos here too for the most part. So thanks for tuning in, folks. I'll see y'all in the next one. Until next time, CTO signing out. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Keep you updated every single video, whether the market's bullish or bearish. We're going to be here because we know where crypto is going, and crypto's here to stay. It's ready to take over. I'll see you on the next one. CTO signing out. Peace.